In this video, I'm gonna show you part of the document management where we create a kind of contract and attach the parties of the contract. So if we go to the documents and see all documents, we see that we have no any documents. So we add new document and we have groups. So let's say it will be a contract. So we need to find the group which contains contracts documented. So here we have different agreements. Let's say it will be employment agreement, and this agreement has a starting date. Let's say they hire, it was from the previous one, let's say they hired someone on 010 this date, someone, and description is just employment agreement. You can put any description you want, and it will be searched also by these keywords. So quantity is 1 or 2 copies, how much you will put, and we either can put the partners who are parties here, or in the next step I will show you later. So we just put here that we need to show details after we save this record. So we go not, okay, let me try without this. So I just save it, and as you can see we have here document, and we can drag and drop files directly to this to attach the files, but we need to add the parties. So no files uploaded. Let's upload it. Let's upload any file that we have from downloads. I don't know, this receipt, let's say. Okay, is downloaded. Okay, so now there is no warning, and here I have parties. So when I add parties, I add, let's say, the party, the company who employs, let's say Aleotech, and the type is the role actually of this party in this document. So this is if there is no yes, we have employer. So we submit, and we add another party, let's say Leonid Mamchenko type, and he will be employee. So employee. Now we have created this agreement, and if we go to Mamchenkov, we see that he has one contract, and if we press, we see the document attached to Leonid as an employment agreement. Let's create another employment agreement for Alexander. So we create here as well. So it's contracts documented, then type is employment agreement, start date 01/19, then we don't care about the rest. Partner search Alexander. I don't want to add him yet, but I can add them after. But you see, I decided to put him here. So Aleotech as well. Aleotech is the other way to add partners. It will be added automatically, but without roles. We will assign their roles after. And also, before I did not press this one, so when I press, I will go into details of the record that I created. Here I need to put employment agreements, okay? So I save it, and I'm in this employment agreement, so there is no file uploaded. I will just upload the same file, this receipt, whatever, I don't know what is this. Just to see that it is uploaded. Okay, so now I go and need to specify that Aleotech is employer, not employee, but employer, and Alexander Mamchenko, no, it's Leonid. Why Leonid? He's supposed to be Alexander. So we delete from here, and we have to solve this equation in order not to delete by mistake, and we add Alexander manually from here. Alexander, and type is employee. Employee. Submit. Okay, now we have the roles here. If we go to Aleotech, it's supposed to have 2 contracts attached to Aleotech, and let's say Alexander Mamchenko, he's going to be seeing only 1 contract. Now if we go to the all documents, you can see that we have all these documents, employment agreement. You can add any other documents, including inward invoices, any other agreements, or whatever you want, and attach as many files to this as you want. That's it for document management.